Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All my students, please make sure you use this website. This is my favorite website. It's known as Tanzil.net. And then when you want to get to your surah, you can just click the surah from here and then scroll down to the surah that you want. At the moment, I'm going to click, what is your surah? You gotta know your surah number by choosing the surah. See that? Choose the surah and then the ayah, and then what you can do is you can choose the reciter al-Fasi or al-Husri. I prefer al-Fasi for now. And now, right here, recitation in front of it, you click it and you choose how many times you want to hear it. Okay? And I would prefer 5 times each ayah. That's it. And then you click here to make the reciter read it for you. For now, I'm going to choose a surah that is very short, has very short verses. So I'm going to choose Wal Asri for now. Qul ya al-Kafirun. Okay. Then just click here. It will repeat for you. And make sure you have this fixed translation, recitation translation, translation on mouse over. I prefer off, which is none. Okay. Otherwise, translation will be blocking your way and you won't be able to see it. So be careful on that. And now enjoy listening to the recitation to help you. See?
قل يا أيها الكافرون قل يا أيها.
That is how you're going to be listening your Quran before you recite it. Okay? And for this video, we're going to stop it here. Please implement this and make use of the website. May Allah bless those who have created this website and made things easy for us. And I also realized this website has translation, a lot of English translators like Ahmed, Raz Khan, Asad. So all these English translation is available. Okay, how about if you cannot even read the Arabic, then you can click that, what they call literation, right? Transliteration, literation. Okay, you click that, and then guess what? I can also allow you to see that. Let me just click fix here, and it will appear right there how to pronounce in English. ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد. Easy. Even if you don't know Arabic, that's how you're going to use it. Hey, but my student cannot use this because since they already know how to read the Arabic. Jazakumullahu al-Jannah. Perfect. See you next time.